hardware. Hardware, that means it is physically available in the environment. Physically available. Okay, so physical components of the computer system. Component means parts. Components means parts. Okay, physical parts of the computer system. That one you can see and touch. That one you can be seen and touched. This is called hardware. Examples: RAM, keyboard, printer, monitor, CPU, etc. Many devices will come, just like your scanner. Okay, see, speaker, CPU, this is CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, scanner, whatever devices you are using and it is physically available, so then it is called hardware.